It's raining, it's pouring. Daddy Papa is snoring. Go sneak that wallet. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Ashimary hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now, before I get into this 360 Invisi-Strap lace wig, updo anyone, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, today's video is from Ashimary hair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is my first time working with this brand, and I'm pretty excited because I have seen some reviews on YouTube for them, and all the wigs look good. So I'm hoping my wig will translate also for the looks. This is their 250% density brown water wave 360 lace unit. I don't think I've tried a brown water wave unit, so I'm pretty excited about this one. It does come with their Invisi-Strap technology in the back of the wig, so you can tighten it down for a more glueless fit around the nape. I will try to wear this unit glueless. I mean, it's a 360, so y'all know I like to use bobby pins, but as far as the sprayage, hopefully I can keep that to a minimum. Where is my powder? Before I tint my lace, let me first cut out this tag. If you are not happy with your wig, don't cut that tag off. Ooh-wee. This wig also has the removable combs. Y'all know I'm not big on combs in my wigs when it comes to, you know, the side action. So I more than likely will take out the side combs, but we'll see how the rest of the wig fits down. It also has the elastic band and the comb in the back for more security with that Invisi-Strap. Now, if you are not sure how to cut off 360 lace, they have a pre-cut option. I chose not to get the pre-cut option only because sometimes when that happens, it gets cut a little bit too short on my sides. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze. I'm gonna tint around the edges of my hairline all the way to the back. This color looks so pretty. Dust off what I don't need. I did use my wig shampoo and leave-in conditioner to wash my wig. However, it's still kind of strong in the smell department, so I'm going to take my wig perfume to help that. Now, most times to get my smell out my wigs, I soak it in the shampoo water and then I wash it, condition it, wash and condition it again, and then I sit it outside. Get that breeze through them tendrils, okay? It will air that joint out quickly. But since I don't have time for that, I just wash it, condition it, and I'm using my wig perfume to help with that smell. Let me make sure I part that. I did get a comment before about why these wigs smell like that. These curls are processed on this wig, meaning the brand is using chemicals and products to make the curl like this. Let me spray my hair down. I like these caps because they do not pull at my hair like my normal wig cap. However, they start to stretch out after a while, as you can see. So the trick that I use to help this cap stay secure, pull it to the back, hold it, flip it over like so. Take a small bobby pin and I pin that bad boy down. I'm trying to keep my edges all 2024 and beyond. For my lace, I'm going to cut it off my head. It has this middle seam. That's normally where the ear tab is. So I'm gonna cut right in front of there, and then I'm just gonna cut the lace off in the back. Be careful, because again, that Invisi-Strap is back there. You don't want to cut into that. Cut all the way around and then cut that off. Ooh, she feels heavy. I like that. Get the band over my head. I probably can tighten down that band some. Why does it feel like that? It feels a little loose. Tuck the comb under the band. Let me pin this hair up. Got my strap out. I'm just gonna tighten it down. Okay, tighten it down. My head is big, so I don't have that much to pull. Normally the elastic band would be up here by your ear, but because of how this cap is constructed, the band is sitting back here. So it's kind of pulling. Uh-oh, I just ripped that. Let me be careful. So it's pulling around my ear. They did send me some goodies. Let me see what's in here. Some more Invisi-Bands. Oh, this is the ear covers plus the elastic bands, so you don't have that pressure on your ear. Smart. You got the brush, some bobby pins, I will be using those, some lashes, a wig cap, then a booklet for the hair. Let me keep these bobby pins out because I will be using those. The hairline looks pretty decent. I may spray this down, but we'll see if I can use bobby pins. All these goodies and none of them are clips. These are combs and oh, that's a pick, that's a bracelet. And cut this right here. Cut in 3. It's raining, it's pouring. Daddy Papa is snoring. Go sneak that wallet. I'm probably gonna do my little swishy edges to get my hairline together. This is all lace right here. The comb is up here, the band is down here. That's not gonna work for the install unless I use bobby pins. I'm gonna pull it like this, bring a little piece down because I wanna hide that. I'm gonna bobby pin it right in front of my ear to my cap. I could put it behind my ear, but because my strap is already there, I don't need any extra security right there. Put it right in front of the ear, bobby pin it to the cap. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse and I'm gonna put that around the hairline to swish my edges. Put some down here as well. Do my swirlies, swirly, swirly. Before I wrap it down, do a little teasing around here, a little bit more. How we looking? Looking pretty decent. If you want extra security, you can definitely use a bobby pin back there. Pull the hair down like this, and you just bobby pin it in place. Just like that. Put this on like so. There we go. And I'll wrap it down. There we go. Now I can wrap it down as tight as I want. Ooh, 24 inches. Okay, no comb and no clips. I got a bracelet. I'm doing an upstyle, but I want to show you guys how it looks out first. I did get some shedding with this hair when I did my co-wash. This is how much I just got on the second pass, which is about the same amount that I got on the first pass during the co-wash. I've been using the Mousse Depth texture, but the last time I used this on a water wave texture, it didn't really work out the way that I wanted it to. It kind of crunched it up. It's a texture foam, so I feel like that may work better with like, you know, a Jerry curly or a kinky curly type of unit. I'm gonna go back to my tried and true Nairobi on this water wave to clump these curls together. Use my detangler brush, comb it through to clump the curls, just like that. Same thing on this side. Work this in, get any extra shedding out. A few pieces, nothing crazy though. Bring a little lift right here. Ow, did I cut myself? Clip this one. All right, let me diffuse the hair and then we'll come back, unwrap, and see what she's looking like. Wait a minute. Diffuse it for about 5 minutes on cool, and then I removed the diffuser and blow dried it on warm. No pain on the ears. I love it. Brush back what I don't need, brush down what I do. That's lace right there. Let me cut that off. Having too much lace on the wig will create a shadow. And then bring it back down. A little bit more on top. Blow dry on cool. And even though I put the bobby pins there, you can still do that for the glueless look. Brush, brush, brush. Use the excess from my foundation brush. Just tap around the edges, make sure that's blended. The lace is melting pretty well, so I don't need to use my contour. Ooh, it is coming down outside. Fluff it up a little bit more. Before I show you guys how to do the upstyle, this is the look all out. Ooh, that's pretty. Listen, from now on, I want a 250 water wave. That's it. Let's go ahead and do the upstyle real quick because I want to show you guys how that's going to look. Ponytail, ponytail, ponytail. That bobby pin is still on my sides. It's helping to keep the sides down because I didn't spray all the way around my side. Wrap it down again. Come on. There we go. Put my sides back down. I can just do a little messy ponytail situation. Bobby pin that in place. Let me scooch down a little bit. Got some pieces that were left out. That's okay. Use them up. Let me trim this one a little bit. It's a little long. My edges are a little ashy over here, so I'm gonna take a little bit of my contour, just a smidge, and put it on that lace. I could definitely get it a lot flatter in the back, but for the time that I feel like spending on this, this is what we got. Looking good. Okay, there's the upstyle. Nothing crazy. Now, if my 24 inches is too long or too short for you, this wig comes in 14 to 34 inches. 34 inches? I'm trying to see what that be like. My goodness, I have never had a wig that long. And I don't think I need it because my Libra energy would definitely show out the most. But yeah, y'all, she is real cute. What's also cute is that discount. Okay, they are having a Black Friday sale right now, and they are offering a buy one, get one, plus up to $120 off. If you needed any clarification when to call that man, right now. And you know he like coupons, so go ahead and throw that in there. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Ashimary Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.